You suddenly wake up at 3 a.m., not because you want to, but because your anxiety won't let you sleep. Therapists say early morning is when your subconscious is loudest. That's why journaling or meditating at dawn rewires the brain. Islam gave you that centuries ago. It's called Tahajud, a silent space before the world wakes up, where you whisper everything that's weighing on you. It's not a ritual, it's a release, a dopamine detox, a nervous system reset when everyone's asleep and it's just you and your Lord. That's not just spiritual, that's psychological healing.